Now we will start the preparation of alcohol. In the last videos already we have covered about the IUPAC nomenclature and the classification of alcohols. First, preparation from alkenes. Okay, alkene means there must be one double bond present between carbon and carbon. This reaction is known as hydration reaction also. Hydration means adding of water. This one is known as hydration reaction. Okay, how does this reaction perform? We have to see. Suppose it is one alkene, here two hydrogens present, here also two hydrogens present. It react in acidic medium, therefore written H plus, and in the presence of water, that means water will add here. If you will split the water H2O, it will be H and OH. Okay, now the H will add to one carbon and the OH will add to another carbon. Okay, and the double bond between the carbons will split. Now what will be the compound? Single bond, single bond. Here two hydrogen, and here it is OH, H and H. Previously two hydrogens are there, these are the hydrogens, and OH will attach with the carbon. Now here one more hydrogen. Now this is our alcohol, desired product. The name of this alcohol is ethanol. The IUPAC name is ethanol and the common name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Okay, you can say this reaction is otherwise known as hydration of alkene in acidic medium. Hydration of alkene in acidic medium. Okay, this is very easy to add as only two carbons are present. So in one carbon you have to add hydrogen, in another carbon you have to add OH from the water. But the if the structure is unsymmetrical, then what we have to do? Suppose it is H3C or CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is the compound. Here this side two carbons are present. Okay, and here only one carbon. If here this reactant will react with water, water means same H and OH again in acidic medium, therefore we are writing H plus. Okay, then where H will attach and in which carbon OH will attach. Here you have to use the previous one of haloalkane and haloarine, that is Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule. That means hydrogen will attach to the carbon of more hydrogen and OH will attach with the carbon of less hydrogen. In between the two carbons of double bond, here the hydrogen is 2 and here hydrogen is 1. So it is more hydrogen, it is less hydrogen. So here in the less hydrogen carbon, OH will attach. In the maximum number of hydrogen carbon, the hydrogen will attach. Now what will be the product? You can see the product, that is CH3 C, here OH, H, CH, here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen. This is the product. In the less number of hydrogen carbon, the OH will attach. In the more number of hydrogen carbon, the hydrogen will attach. This is the product. What is the IUPAC name of this product? This is propane. 1, 2, 3 carbon present, therefore propane, and the second position alcohol is present. If you will take from this side 1, 2, 3, from this side also 1, 2, 3. So it is 2 all, propane 2 all, or you can say the common name is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Second position it is attached, therefore the common name is isopropyl alcohol. In each and every reaction it is mandatory to write the IUPAC name and the common name. Remember.